Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I know it's nice but I have to take a bus to go to Milano. It's 6 a.m. right now. There's the moon. So I am here in the central station of Vicenza and I am basically waiting for this Flixbus. There is a 20 minutes delay. I'm waiting here. As you can see, there's somebody going here, somebody going there. Let's wait. My bus arrived. I cannot sit in my spot because people are sleeping like this. My spot is there and I don't feel like to wake them up. Maybe if somebody will come and claim this spot here, I will go there. I'm about to arrive to Milano station. I fell asleep for 1 hour, 1.5 hours because in that the place is very safe, so why not? Milano.
What will and has been, it's a constant fight, oh my. But I'm not falling, even if I'm pulling a little, no I'm not falling. But when did I get lost in the middle of time? Turn it all out, told me every secret. Said that I care, asked do you mean it? It's been months since we've been okay. I'm putting off what's coming. Another night staring at the ceiling. You desire to be alone, to be the one they're always thinking of. And I'm sorry I couldn't be there for you. Admit that I ignored it. You deserve to be alone. You deserve to be alone. You deserve to be alone. Struggling 'cause I'm all you have. You should know that's all in your head. 'Cause it's been weeks and you're not okay. You're putting off what's coming. It's alright to be scared of being lonely. Don't you know that you deserve to be alone, to be the one they're always thinking of. And I'm sorry I couldn't be there for you. Admit that I ignored it. You deserve to be alone. You deserve to be alone. You deserve to be. You deserve to be alone. You deserve to be.
Can't believe I am inside here. No, really. This is one of the most beautiful places I've ever seen in Italy. Have you seen this? Oh my gosh, it's crazy, guys. It's crazy. It's beautiful. I am so. Wow, wow, wow.
Don't forget about me and all the things I could give to you, baby. But I guess you can't see, making new memories with me. Oh, yeah, I'll be okay. I'll be okay. I'll be okay. Oh, yeah, I'm good either way. I'm good either way. What happened to forever? Now we're not together. I know it's
time I've been waiting for you. I got my feelings up and it's just for you. I just need a little bit of time to breathe in and out. I just need a little bit of time to ease up my mind. All for you. Situation got me running like I'm losing my mind. All for you. I feel with every little step I take I'm crossing your line. All for you.